Democratic leadership. Empowering teams for success. Democratic leadership focuses on collaboration, participation, and empowering team members to contribute meaningfully to decisions. It thrives in today's fast-changing organizations where innovation and engagement drive success. This presentation explores what democratic leadership is, its key benefits and challenges, and when it works best. We'll also highlight notable leaders who exemplify this style and practical strategies to apply democratic leadership effectively in your organization. Defining democratic leadership core principles: collaboration, participation, and empowerment. Define democratic leadership's foundation. Leader's role. The leader acts as a facilitator, guiding the group rather than issuing top-down orders. Shared decision-making, consensus building, and open communication enable trust and respect within teams. This leadership style fosters a culture where team members feel valued, creating space for diverse ideas to flourish and collective ownership of outcomes. Key characteristics of democratic leaders. Active listening. Democratic leaders prioritize hearing diverse perspectives to enrich decision-making. Encouraging. Innovation. They foster creativity by empowering team members to contribute ideas freely. Transparency and accountability. Leaders promote openness and hold the team accountable for shared goals. Constructive feedback. They provide support and guidance to help individuals grow. For instance, Satya Nadella at Microsoft exemplifies this style by emphasizing empathy and inclusion to drive transformation. When to use democratic leadership. Ideal scenarios. Complex projects needing diverse expertise. Teams where buy-in and ownership matter. Experienced and knowledgeable groups. Organizational fit environments encouraging innovation, research and development team startups, and collaborative cultures. These settings benefit from the inclusive, participatory approach to problem-solving that democratic leadership offers. Benefits of democratic leadership: 48%. Engagement. Boost. Employee motivation increases substantially under democratic leadership. 40% creativity. Gains teams demonstrate improved problem-solving and innovative thinking. High team cohesion. Strong collaboration and commitment enhance productivity and retention. By encouraging participation, organizations create more satisfied and loyal workforces aligned around shared goals. Case study: Google's 20% time. Dedicated innovation. Time employees spend 20% of work hours on personal projects. Foster creativity. This freedom encourages novel ideas and experimentation. Successful outcomes produced major products like Gmail and AdSense, showcasing democratic leadership's impact. This example highlights how empowering employees can drive breakthrough innovations and organizational growth. Drawbacks of democratic leadership: slower decisions. Inclusive discussion can extend timelines. Conflict. Risks: differing opinions may cause disagreements if unmanaged. Groupthink. Consensus pressure may suppress critical thinking. Not always suitable. Less effective with inexperienced or unmotivated teams or in crisis needing fast action. Overcoming the challenges: clear protocols, establish decision rules to streamline processes, manage conflict, encourage respectful debate and resolve disagreements constructively. Encourage dissent, promote critical thinking to avoid groupthink. Training and support equip team members with skills to contribute effectively. By implementing these approaches, leaders can maintain democratic benefits while mitigating drawbacks effectively. Examples of democratic leaders: Satya Nadella, Microsoft, tech industry. Background: CEO since 2014, transformed Microsoft's culture to collaboration-focused. Approach: empowers employees, promotes open communication, encourages experimentation. Result: innovation soared. Market capitalization grew over $2 trillion. Quote: "The key to the future is collaboration. Rigidity is the enemy of progress. Ursula Burns, Xerox, Manufacturing. Background: first African American woman to lead a Fortune 500 company. Leadership. Style emphasized diversity, inclusion, and open dialogue. Impact. Transformed Xerox into a technology and services company. Quote, "People are persuaded not by what we say, but by what they understand." Conclusion. Is democratic leadership right for you? Democratic leadership creates empowered, engaged teams by valuing input and sharing power. It fits organizations emphasizing innovation and collaboration. Adapt your leadership style as needed to maximize strengths and manage weaknesses. When used appropriately, democratic leadership drives commitment, creativity, and lasting success. However, leaders must weigh slower decisions and potential conflicts against these benefits. Understanding team dynamics and context is essential. Consider your culture, team expertise, and goals when choosing to apply this empowering approach.